Hello. Procurement jobs are perhaps the most advertised jobs in job postings. Just take a look at any job posting or go search for jobs. You will find that procurement, purchasing, vendor management, these are the most in-demand jobs. Why? Because purchasing efficiencies contribute directly to the bottom line. You are spending money and any savings in purchasing procurement go directly to the bottom line. They are cash savings. Therefore, the skill set that you need to understand the vendor behavior, lead times, performance of the materials purchased throughout the supply chain in manufacturing, wastages, scrap factors, spend analysis, all these skills are really needed today for you to succeed in your job. So if you are already in purchasing, you need to upgrade your skills, get the new ones. And if you're not in purchasing, you want to move to purchasing function or find a job in purchasing, you must consider CPCM, which is Certificate in Procurement and Contract Management. This course offers you the advanced skills, and the best thing is that it is online 100% and self-paced. You control your own time. People get the certificate done, achieve it within a few weeks. Maximum time is 3 months, but most people do it within 3 months. Depend all on your time commitment, and you put it on your resume, and that distinguishes you from the other who don't have this credential. So best of luck. Go for it, guys, and take advantage. So for now, bye.